Well, hey folks, back out FMS. We're going to try to take up the F-86 again and to have a little bit of fun. FMS 86, F-86 Skyblazer, and the Hobby Zone. Thank you so much for sending the plane out to me for review. Kind of a windy. It was when I first got here 98 degrees. It's gone down to about 90 now here in this early June of 24. Avon Park, Florida. Okay, timer set for 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Here we go. Has one of the best sounds of any EDF I own. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to go out here.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes.
I'll land this way.
Flaps up.
Good looking plane. Wind is still pretty much out of the east, though. You gotta be careful with the gear. It's kind of narrow. All right, here we go. Running a 5300 SMC. Just so you're aware, I've taken the gear doors off, the outer doors. They got hung up on grass and stuff so many times, they just kept breaking. So I just went and just took them off, period.
2 minutes.
That wind is really playing havoc with her.
Landing flaps. Flaps
Well,
up.
shouldn't need flaps now. There we go. Let her settle in.
Braking.
I keep forgetting this plane doesn't have brakes. Be nice if it did. Not necessary though. Alright, we got one more.
Brakes off.
Cast. Alright. Love those, love the gear on that KM model, love that afterburner you give me for review. All right, oh, is it windy? Windy, windy. Windy, oh windy. All right, let's see. All right, here we go. Whoa, that wind caught me that time. Good thing I got that windsock
Time remaining 1 minute.
on the GoPro now. All right, we're gonna have to land her now.
Landing flaps. Flaps up. Landing flaps.
All right.
Flaps up.
Woo, that wind.
20 seconds.
Come on, baby, come on. You can do it. Come on. When it's super windy like this, all you're trying to do is just survive the flight. And I think we're just fine. All right.
Prop secure.
Let's turn her over, or turn her upside down. And let's make sure our gear is okay. Try to hold her in such a way she won't fly out of my hand. Oh yeah.
Gear down.
Nice and solid, nice and solid. All right, that's a great plane. Fairly sturdy too. All right, let's check the battery. Had 13 seconds left on a 3-minute and 50-second timer. So 3 minutes and 35 seconds of flying. The hatch stayed down pretty good this time. I'm gonna do the KM model afterburner. Yeah, I know, I keep plugging them, don't I? 48%, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Actually, I have the afterburner. I have it off when it's on all the time, or at least at the very lowest setting of yellow when the plane is just sitting still. And I know this plane doesn't have an afterburner in real scale life, but for the cool effect and the orientation value, I'll go with that any day over scale realism. But that is one awesome, beautiful, beautiful plane. Oh, is it windy? Windy, windy, windy. Oh, so windy. Hold on just a second. Watch, look at that afterburner. Looky, looky. All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC saying God bless y'all, and don't forget, pay family and friends. And then jets, F-86s, sent to me by Hobby Zone, made by FMS. Don't forget, pay family and friends. Bye, y'all. I keep repeating myself, don't I? Bye.